The Deputy Chief Whip Senator Onyekachi has reacted to the sexual harassment allegations leveled against Senator Godswill Akpabio by Natasha akpoti-uduaghan. Recall that Senator Natasha akpoti-uduaghan, representing Kogi Central, accused Senate President Godswill Akpabio of making persistent sexual advances towards her. Natasha alleged that Akpabio's antagonism towards her stemmed from her refusal to yield to his advances, both within and outside the country. However, reacting to claims of Natasha Akpoti, Senator Nweboyi has disclosed that the allegations are lies. According to him, Akpabio did not sexually harass Senator Natasha when they attended the birthday party as alleged. As reported by NaijaNews, he stated this while speaking on Arise TV.
8 December 2023. I was among the senators that attended the birthday ceremony of the Senate President. I remember very well, as we were coming down from the vehicle, she was complaining of a shoe penny her that made her and her husband to stay back while I rushed inside the building to join other senators to inspect the building of the Senate President. I must tell you for free, and that is the truth, Senator Natasha never joined us inspecting the buildings of the Senate President. There was never a time the Senate President touched Senator Natasha. There was never a time the Senate President told Natasha, oh, you like my house, I will come back here to have a good time.
While this comment has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.